Check it out, boys. Listen, pal. Real quick, 5/8 trim here, pal. Working on a little aluminum siding job today. Doing a few custom trims here and there, some wall flashings. Right now, 5/8 trim, pal. And then our mark was at 2 3/8. Your cutter is gonna leave you 1.5 inches. So when you're measuring to cut something, always calculate for that 1.5 inches, boys. Pop it open. Gonna want the color you want to use, face down. Boom. 5/8 hem. Pull it out. Follow through with it. Pinch your clothes there, like prairie doggers. Bring her down, slide her back in. Then we're hitting with another 5/8 hem right on that hem. Boom. 90 degrees, pal. Okay. Then pull that back. Put the 5/8 hem on that 5/8 hem that you went full 90s on. Boom. Bring that up and bring that up right till it touches. Put a little pressure to it. Pow. Right there, boys. It's hemmed, nice and rigid. She ain't gonna go wavy on you, pal. Like a California surfer, bud. Nice nail and flange. You can nail that just like your coffin, bud. Carry on.